Davido, Ọ̀pára tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́. Tọ́gbà, ọ̀gá gbígbà náà bá sẹ́kì, ọmọ náà gbígbà náà tó, wetin we get? Both pastor iṣẹ́ ìyá, make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all don dey wait for.
So
now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, no, now it's a year for governor.
are you there? I see you. Are you there?
Wait till we get Edo Newsom, Edo never
Are you there?
Pastor Osage iṣẹ́ ìyanu, ọmọ Osage náà tó tán l'Edo ṣe. Big man of vision, big man of hope. Let's join hands together and vote in. Both pastor iṣẹ́ ìyanu, make it for better for the people of Edo State.
Good morning, my brother Kelly.
We all don dey
I greet you, bro. Uncle Jolly.
My good people of Edo State,
Listening.
make una see better.
Yes, so.
This 2020, no, now is a year for governor. Osage ìyanu, ọmọ Osage náà tó tán l'Edo yìí.
Yari.
Then use mago, then use guru, and I'm when you for it. It's a new dawn, let's be wise, and vote yam. Ọmọ Osage no to l'Edo yìí. From Roma Lassi, every day we say so. Both pastor iṣẹ́ ìyanu, make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all don dey wait for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better.
Yes, so we are waiting.
This 2020, no, now it's a year for governors. Both pastor iṣẹ́ ìyanu.
Why you dey ask?
For better for the people.
Why you dey ask? You be say Yamu fans. If you need the music, I will send it for you. Why you dey ask? Let's go.
Ọ̀pára tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́. Tọ́gbà, ọ̀gá gbígbà náà bá sẹ́kì, ọmọ náà gbígbà náà tó.
Why you?
Both pastor iṣẹ́ ìyanu, make it for better for the people of Edo State.
Yeah.
The man of vision, we all don dey wait for.
Yes, so.
Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, no, now is a year for governor. Ọ̀gá gbígbà náà bá sẹ́kì, ọmọ náà gbígbà náà tó. Wetin we get?
Yeah.
Edo Newsom, Edo never ire. Yakwe kọtugbe, ayatọ̀ l'Edo yìí.
Yes, so.
Kọtugbe, ayatọ̀ l'Edo yìí. Pastor Osage iṣẹ́ ìyanu, ọmọ Osage náà tó tán l'Edo yìí. Big man of vision, big man of hope. Let's join hands together and vote in.
Thank you very much.
Both pastor iṣẹ́
Yeah,
ìyanu.
thank you very much. God bless
Make
you.
it for better for the people of Edo State.
Yes, so.
Man of vision, we all don dey wait for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better.
Better is coming.
This 2020, no, now is a year for government. non tó tọ́lẹ̀ tó yìí. Ẹ̀rẹ̀ náà gbéra.
Your comments, sister, if you need the music, based on say we are celebrate our upcoming governor. Well, when he said the address inbox me because why? I don't wear. Oh, to no mind akpobolele. Akpobolele to the where we not get talk back. I don't know where talking back what is here. So let's go, brothers and sisters.
Go smart.
Joel on the bed.
Evido. Obara tokbere. Tokba. Oga gigba no baseki.
No.
Oga gigba neto. Wetin we get? Good pastor Isaiah, make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the way for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry.
Thank you, bros. Austin Joseph. God bless you.
This 2020, no, now it's a year move for God. Wetin we get?
Yes, sir.
Edo nusomo, Edo newa ire. Yakwe kwa kugbe, aya dole doji. Pastor go sage Isaiah, omo no sage no to dole doji.
Yes,
Big
sir.
man of vision, big man of hope. Let's join hands together and vote in.
Yes, sir.
Both pastor Isaiah, make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the way for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, now it's a year move for governor.
Yeah.
Osage iyamu, ọmọ ló sage no tó tọ́lẹ̀ tó yìí. Ẹ̀rẹ̀ náà gbéra, then use mago, then use wúrúwúrú, alamu ẹ̀yìn kórè. Ìṣèlú tó ẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ o, let's be wise, ọmọ tó ti yá.
Toilet to my people.
No tó tọ́lẹ̀ tó yìí. From Roma last year, Davido say so. Both pastor Isaiah, make it for better for the people of Edo State.
Yes.
The man of vision, we all done the way for. Now it's
Johnny.
one chance.
Sagalisti.
My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, now it's a year move for governor. Both pastor Isaiah, make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the way for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance.
Share the video.
My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020,
No this.
for God,
Na dengue.
go smile, so every day say so. Yeah.
It's Joel on the bed.
Yes, my people. I don't wear onyeme oseme rudawe onyeme rasuki ori balawa wakoyo ile domenuzo wa wesi omona my co-brother, may God bless you because you know wetin be good thing. You know say Isaiah is the man of the road. The Ohomba line to the Benin Osadebe Avenue direct. God bless you for this music. I need your name. And your name is already with me. In the web women, Wama, Okbegion, Venije, Aoki, Veni Mark Baby, Edu Havik Baby, in Oro, Awami, will not yet. Orion we, because we are Tawe, is a Yamu, Agbe Mioye, Pegeona Cagbera, Ona would be Renania, a royal wisse, Wato. Wa Begiona Omokbea Oga Dobowe, Omoku Oga Dobowe, Usage Ze Yamua onwe, Yasansi, Ruda we na Wesina, Omanak Mome. Sorry, Owarwokpa or Yesi, na Wena, Omanak Mome, Omanaria Ewa, no way no Magidi Iowa. Arokbanino o sensi o viriai e na we na manariai no we no o viriai o se ne do na we arokpa o sensi ize yamiga en we yasanwesi ruda we inwanu pe na lu yatamedo ya we ni apagbe wowe ke no ti togba ke ya fe no ma ke no ye ne yakpa bewowe akmohamawe so ikabome otani anta oyekme here rude we no na yekme ni yeri iwana maye yasue here ruda we otara ni akabo rutana itene no kan ivie PFM ya ikeni arire ya yi no ye we Iranomigo or a president of PFL. Knowing where our father, Pa Kisley or Digier, or a father of PFM, and will not pum way in my hand where in Yagbe Kotuna. Itene, Okpano, Ivano, Aotuno Boma, Aotuno no Muemori. Otu no jao yigere otu no we omega agbo edugbona bi on be de na we okeki na yoba na ni aria wiyange uwe dugboni arioba ga fia wiyan madu mu awiyan ma mu dayan iya mana mu awo dayan ni agba owiyan ma fi oponiyan on your freedom fighter or in the name of PFN, People Freedom Movement, anti-corruption crusader. We say no to many things that we not say. The whole world is against it. We say no to human trafficking. We say no to police brutality. We say no to abusing of power. We say no to courtesan. Say no to court killing. There is courtesan everywhere. The killing one, we say no to them. You have to love your brother as you love yourself. And we say no to those people who are trying to say a word of betrayal to their fatherland. We say no to them. We never give them that chance. So any year, those people that loot Nigerian money, that loot your state money, that loot your state treasury, we say no to them. When we catch them, we bring into the media, we torpedo them, we give them what they want. Before we give them what they want, we will first advise them, say, help your people. Help your people. If you don't want to do it, say, hey, we are inconsequential. We are coming back to you to tell you that we are not inconsequential. We know what we are doing. By the time we know say we know what we are doing, the whole world, eki gbawe, omubo gbawe, omubo gbawe, azek gbawe, also gbawe, omu done. That is how PFN is. Mawe, okbiana, erodu igo no, ni mawaru lewe, or igo ni ma, no. Merodo, magabe wiyo bonwe mana be gbina nwe igbina ni ma gbino ona be jewe o woni ma gugun ani we fi werie ona be jewe we tin we oteme wa mienu wa be adanyo wa mienu wa be yawe anything no be konwa. That is from your heart you voluntary. Ewe ni madwa mwe na wadu mwe adana da wewe roda weti ma support we mwigoreu maru beverio. Those are, that is why you see many social media presenters, many journalists, they are in prison, they are in problem. Many presenters, they don't grow because why? They continue saying one word. What is that one word? You know, say that word is not relevant, but he continues saying it. Or some will just come out, they insult everybody here and here in the name of saying one person will come and give it money tomorrow. We are not like that. PFM is an organization that fought for the voice who cannot speak for himself. And we have the voice, it's very loud, to speak for you so that your freedom of speech will be on you. Your freedom of liberty will be on you. That is how we are. Okay? So, my people, I'm going to speak my language, and you have to take it from me. Because why? I'm going to address my people freedom movement members all over the world. All over the world. And get ready to listen to the message from the leader. God bless you, everyone. So let me play my little music so that, you know, say, I'm not sit down for media, say, man, I'm not hear the music of Voice of Justice. Make I just play and little. I know, say, I don't feel here, I'm be at the time, so all of us and the jolly now we day, and we will continue the jolly. God bless you, everyone. Share the video, please. Share the video, invite your brother, invite your sisters, invite your PFM brothers, your PFM sisters, one will not say all of us and the jolly now we day, and we will continue the jolly. They have to God bless you, everyone. Share the video, They have to learn from us, and we have to learn from them too. Because why? Share the video, brothers and sisters, so that this video will be virus to my PFM brothers and sisters, my daddy, all of them, so that they will understand. Because not every time, you know, a group like this, we always come out and address people. Not only maybe when we continue catapult or we continue defending people, but we can tell you the reality, what PFM really means. That is why I am here this night, and get ready to get the message. God bless you, everyone. Share the video. I can see my brother over there, Destiny. God bless you. Who is again? Bright Obaze. That is my big brother. God bless you. A lot of my niggas over there. So share the video so that let our people understand that this is a work of PFM. This is a mission of PFM. You understand? So share the video. God bless you, everyone. So we don't have much time. We only have 40 minutes. But it's 30 minutes. But the order come from above is it have to be 30 minutes. But I just want to put 10 minutes because of the music. I'm going to play my music. That is why I just add my 10 minutes on it. So share the video. So we are going to spend 40 minutes here. We don't have time just to deliver the message from above. So I leave the stage. God bless you, everyone. So let me bring my music out. I want you to play and lead you, even though you not go to the end of the music, but for you to just listen to around, so that, because not the same. Is a yamu matter, you know, change. So
APC,
next level.
APC, next level. APC,
Next level.
APC,
Next Osaige Noriyamu Osaige Noriyamu Osaige Noriyamu Mama Povedo Mama Povedo Mama Povedo Yase Kosikita Mama Nosagene Noriyamu Enani Iwinano Ha Yes, so my people, I just want to make I throw away a little because why? This video is going to the top officials, the leader of the PFM, and they are the one that gave me go ahead. They authorized me to talk to my people, PFM brothers and sisters all over the world. May God bless you as you listen to the voice of justice. John in Ezena in Pizugbe. So my people, as I said before, according to the way when my leader say make I take, and highlight the matter. So that being said, my people, the message of this evening to my PFM brothers and sisters all over the world. If you know you are a PFM members, if you know you are a bona fide PFM members, I use this medium to announce to you as a brother, as a sister under PFM, stop calling or any presenter, any media presenter that you know that is not PFM, stop calling on his platform. Okay? If you know say that man they do video, that man not be PFM, I beg, never you make call on that platform again. If you do, your name will go to the above. We are not begging anybody, but we are begging everybody for you to understand that PFM is well organized. We don't want betrayal. We don't want stomach infrastructure. That is a word we use to catapult people. Stomach infrastructure. So I call it there by English. So if you do menuzo mawa wese wakoyo. If you PFM ya ikenwari ajo akmo mawane o waga mawa imagite otunu wa deba otunu adiegbela nu wa deba otunu ogboma otunu siosa otunu omiomego vieke otunu mudia we era susegbe iyu susegbe edogbenu yesu segbe emi no bun ni ma mi wagbon nere ewe ma igo ro na aya ti yawe o ma mu ego ni oya ya wo gede gbe emi ya e ma gbe naye na la wo iye PFM ya ko gbe ano ko kuno ikini ruri aje o ewe bono o wa no deno una yen we ure PFM platform ne ure PFM list ne o mani pero na wen we PFM never you go there e de shiva no ya gbene yo amawe to ati e shiva no ya gbene mi ye emi no wu amawe to ati ogatie the officers they are underground monitor Because why? PFM on many no boom negia ni at ewuni no gi mani ate we ni ajima obungbene oze we amimeso owe osomule mwigo ni ya o eyan na gbina le lo somule ize jamu mwigo ni ya o eyan na gbina le ni se jamu edi ona mwigo ni ya o ma he ma ni ya mwigo na. So we na ga run that PFM una ga a long truth of money. You are not a PFM member. I announce you are not a PFM member. If you are fighting the freedom of the masses, if you are fighting, you not have been the poor, you not have been no yogwe, you not have been nurue, mighty la dia uwa montene nyota, but uwe mighty la dia ona do tama wona been ane. Oh, minayo emi ya do amabediane. Geto boy sanwesi. No hano. No do amwego no do umana elie no ewu asi onwebiri. So iteme no kan teme ni pe teme ni ku PFM ba ken wariri aje o mani o kono wa we iyan bi ran mi go o iyan bi John no bi bizugbe e 5 and 6 yan hu o kono o ti eluwe mi na na mere we no gbe na yan we PFM et de ti lu vion gere et de mo ya gbe comment yo on support Osage Eze Yamu. The whole world support Osage Eze Yamu. If you want me to show you many videos that the people sent to me, I will show you. Canada, Australia, US, Iceland, England. Those are the people that endorse Osage, Pastor Osage Eze Yamu. But one person cannot hide under PFA canopy. It will be demanding money. That is what we call stomach infrastructure. So, I use this medium to tell you, brothers and sisters, Allah will go. If you know it concerning where Owana, a PFM member, even though not a PFM member, na yagbina yekwe wa berege or tasigo, but the officer is already on the ground. Monitors. Because why? A corruption in my facts, a bima, a makesumwe. Understand? I dey fight looters, a bima, a makesumwe. So, on you, nigiri, unoke above the head of PFM members all over the world. Where Allah will go. Because why? Ma miyegbene, etima ni bunro, obungbene where ni edo yegbeke PFM. Erega ise, odo aro vi PFM. Mamari gualoe, oze where have a leader in as officer yo monitoring. When now where o ego or gualo egbina o gbino bi ogbodo gbina or o ma onu dia where o no gbina ne ogari ye ori where wu gbina ni sage na to any when wa mu ego no mama gualo e we PFM and my very long truths. So I drop this message to all my brothers, sisters. Allah will go. Why ye PFM in can you react? Video man, stop it. Very real. Investigation have a ladian. On you know God bless you everyone. And God bless you. As you listen to the voice of justice. No law will go. My aim of truth. We are freedom fighter. If you want to, you want me to know who you are born in. Echo where, echo where kiri, uberi binanima, binanwe. Ori where, a politician pass, a young udwa no ego, a young amudia, udwa no ego. Imawe no ya no. But under PFM canopy, when we catch you, is PFM direct with 2 to courts. You are a fraudster, you are a looter, you are a betrayer to the community. So we don't want it and we will never accept it. God bless you, everyone. This is Voice of Justice, PFN number 2 vocalist, John Enezena Ibizugbe. I greet everyone. I greet all my brothers. I greet all my sisters. God bless you as you listen to the Voice of Justice. So let me give you a little music so that I can leave the stage now. Area when it ties and the area when it ties. Ula wo umanagion ma de e ma do tama we o e PFM member kan bet ma me lele no bun ni ma ya ti de gbe ma yi ni mama na de we na when we do mo e lo tro to la we will prove it to the world. You understand? But on my way we yo go no eri but we na yasi be na susa man PFM to be ma ka wa deal with you. And it's a warning where unaga PFM member Facebook or we have discipline. We have discipline. What is that discipline? We are disciplining our leader for them to change for all the bad things they have been doing. But you cannot start it under this roof. Waiting. Okay, so that is why I come out this evening, message from above, from the leader, that I have to let you people know, if you are a bona fide PFM member, stop calling on that platform when you know that it's not PFM. You understand? If you have a question, you can call me after this video or anytime. You can call me and we will let to you why all those things take place. God bless you, everyone. So no more talk again. Let me just give you the little music. As we continue playing it, we will be rejoicing. Osage, Pastor Osage Izeyamu is the next level. Nobody will change it and nobody can change it. So for you to go say, I saw this one does alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. But all our own pastor is going to be a state governor. God bless you, everyone. So yes,
Joel on the bed.
yes, yes, so my people.
Good pastor Izeyamu, make it for better for the people of Edo State.
Yes, so
Man of vision, we all done the way for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make
yes, my people. Wale.
see better.
Thank you very much, sister. God bless you. Sir, healing to my people. One love. To all the PFM soldiers.
Wait till we get Edo Luzon, Edo Newa Yule, Yakwe Kwakwe, Ayadole Doji, Pastor Gosage Izeyamu, Omono Sage no Dodole Doji.
Yes, so
The man of God, let your hands together and vote in. Both Pastor Izeyamu, make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the way for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, now Izeyamu for governor. Osageyamu.
yes, so
No totally doji. No gbera. Then use mago. Then use
no mago again.
when you put it. We say you know. Let's be wise and vote. yeah. Omo no sake no to nedoshi. From Roma last year, every day say so.
Eddie Okwaligo One, Tuale my big brother.
For better for the people.
Eddie Okwaligo One. I greet to my
We
channel.
don't dey wait for. Now you see how you make me grab my one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, now is a year for governors. But Pastor is a year, make it for better for the people of Edo State. Man of vision, we all don't dey wait for. Now you see how you make me grab my one chance.
Calling to my people. Respect to brothers and sisters all PFM members all over the world. This is your son, your loyalty boy, your loyal boy. Tuale, yeah, that is Don Sasa. Those are my chairman inside the PFM members. At Mawane, I Tuale una. Great. Don Sasa one.
On the bed.
Agbomawane, if you ever wawesi, so nisi wa na ruda we ahwe. My wife won't take me na bit tabu gama, but ya mo ye a war man, maybe a sona, so that we are in a tawa. So that is how we see him. God bless you, everyone. I will continue to respect my PFM brothers and sisters all over the world. If you follow our rule, no association does not have rule. You see why Obaseki they transfer year on year? Because why? They not practice the constitution of APC. That is the problem they have now. You understand? So if you they talk to another people, say me the change, you have to, the changes have to start for your house. If not, people say, what's me at or does a normal set you what? No, you will we are not mighty bow while you whatever. So we don't want that. Okay? We don't want that. I say, man, I will make we must with discipline. Allah will go. God bless you, everyone. Bye for now. I want to leave you people. May God bless you. As you understand that we are not quarreling, but we have to sanitize ourselves in the name of say corruption is not allowed. If you are fighting for corruption, start from your home. That is why PFL announced this midnight. You should understand that we are not corrupt. And stop calling on that other people platform. If not, we will investigate you. We will bring you to justice. God bless you, everyone. Good night. To all to my people.